Hi guys, it's Miss Wright. I hope you guys had a great spring break and you got to relax a little bit. So today for math, we are going to start talking about something new. The last couple videos that I've done have all been about addition. So today we're going to do exactly the opposite of that. So for addition, we're always talking about taking two parts of something, like two sticks, and putting them together to make one whole, right? So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, what does that make? 6 plus 4 makes 10. Good job. So today we're going to do exactly the opposite. And instead of putting two things together, we're going to break something apart. So we're going to start with our big number this time. So we're going to start with a stick like these Legos of 10. And what we're going to do is we're going to break the stick in part. It doesn't matter where we break it. If we break it right here, then now we have two parts. So we started with a whole and we're going backwards this time. We took some away. So we took 3 away. We had 10. We took 3 away. Let's see how many are left on our stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So I've got a fun subtraction game for us to play today. Since this week is Earth Day, I thought this game would be a perfect game for us. So you can find something around your house that would normally go in the trash, like water bottles are great for this game, or toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. Those are great for this game. Or even plastic cups can be used for this game. Whatever you have. So if it was gonna throw in the trash and then you decided, hey, I can make a game out of it, then you can use it. So you just have to have 10 of them. That's the important part. So we decided to use toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls. We just cut the paper towel rolls in half so that they were the same size as the toilet paper rolls, and then my daughter really wanted to paint them, so we painted them to make them a little bit more fun. So you have to make sure you have 10 of them. So we've got 10 toilet paper rolls, and then you have to put them together so that they are in the shape of a triangle. I think that's kind of hard to see, isn't it? I'll show you how to do it. So you have 1 in the front, and then the next row, you put 2 right behind it. And then the next row, each time you're gonna get bigger. So 3 in the next row. And then in the last row, you're gonna have 4. So it looks like a triangle. Have any of you guys ever been bowling before? It's a lot of fun. When you go bowling, there are 10 bowling pins. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bowl a little bit at home. I wouldn't suggest doing it on a tabletop, but I'm doing it up on my counter so that you guys can see it better. But if you're doing it at home, you probably wanna do it on the floor. It's a little easier. So all you need is a ball. It doesn't matter what kind of ball. A tennis ball works perfect because it doesn't break as much in the house. You probably don't want to use a baseball and you have to be careful with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do subtraction bowling. And what we're going to do is we're always going to start with the number 10 because we have 10 bowling pins. And then we're going to see how many we can take away. How many can we knock down? And then how many are left over when we're done, okay? So I wanna see how many we can knock down. Let's try it out, are you ready? So we're gonna roll the ball just like you do when you go bowling, right down the middle, and see if we can knock any down. I think we did, let's see if we can figure it out. So we started with 10, and let me pick up the ones that I knocked down. These are the ones that I knocked down. I knocked down 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see if we can do a subtraction problem. We're gonna start with 10 every time because that's how many bowling pins we have. So we're gonna start with 10, we're gonna write 10, but this time instead of writing a plus sign, we're gonna write a minus sign because we're taking away. So we're gonna write a minus sign. It looks just like this. It's just a line. So how many did we knock down again? We knocked down 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 minus 4 equals, that's what our problem looks like, but now we have to find our answer. Normally when we do addition problems, our answer is gonna be a big number, but when we're doing subtraction, we're taking some away, so our answer is gonna be smaller than what we started with. So we started with 10 and we took away 4, so could our answer be 12? No, 12 is more than 10, right? So we need to find a number that's smaller than 10. Let's see if we can figure it out. Let's count how many we still have standing up back here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we started with 10 and we took 4 away, and how many were left? 6. So let's read our subtraction problem. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So every time we write our subtraction sentence, it's always going to start with 10, and then our answer is always going to be smaller than 10. Let's try it one more time. Are you ready? Let's set back up our bowling pins. We need 1 in the front, and then we need 2 in the next row, and then 3 in the next row, and then in the last row, how many do we need? 4. Good job. All right, so we've got our bowling ball. In this case, it's a tennis ball. And we're gonna roll it right down the middle and see how many we can knock down. I wonder, maybe, do you think any of you could knock them all down? Let's see if we can try. Let me see if I can throw it a little harder this time. Oh, I was so close. I knocked them all down except for 1. Oh my goodness, let's see. Okay, so I started with 10, right? And I knocked them all down except for 1. So let's see how many I knocked down. I knocked down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they went everywhere that time. I kind of made a mess. All right, so we're starting with 10 every time, right? So I went ahead and wrote 10, and then I need to write my symbol. We're not doing addition, we're doing subtraction, so we're gonna write a minus sign. 10 minus, and I knocked down 9 of them this time. So 10 minus 9 equals, how many did I have left? Only one little guy back here is standing up. I only had 1 left. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. I want to see if you guys can play this game and then tell me the number sentences that you came up with. See if you can knock all 10 of them down. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.